single day.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to talk about the latest update for Lenovo K8 Note. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, I'll quickly go to the settings menu. I will go to the systems and then let's check for system updates. So, it will say that it has a system update available. The new version is called as OMB 2743-68. And this one is basically a minor update, and it has the Android security update till November 5, 2018 and few of the stability improvements. So guys, the previous update, which was of I believe October 2018, it has few bugs in it. Like according to me, the battery issues were there. The battery was draining too fast. Some heating issues were there, and the touch was not that responsive as it used to be before. So I think in this stability improvements, these bugs would have been removed. It is good that Android is pushing the timely updates, even though these are minor updates, and Lenovo K8 Note is still in 8.0.0, but let's hope for the best. And so what I'll do is I'll just quickly download the update, and then I will let you know like what all changes are there, what all the features have been improved, and what are all the disadvantages or the bugs which are there again with this update. So stay tuned in the video till the end. I will let you know about all these details. I will quickly click on download button, and let's see how how much time does it take. So I'll see you after the download is complete. So guys, I have already downloaded the update, and now I'll quickly install the update. So it will restart in 9 seconds and it will update. So guys, I have already installed the update and I have been using it since couple of days, and what all changes I have felt I would like to tell. So the main thing is the battery issues which were introduced in the earlier update, in the October update, have been resolved. I mean, the battery has become a bit stable as compared to the previous update. So this is the biggest update I think which is there. Apart from that, I would like you all to comment your views about the update, and then whatever changes I do feel after using it, I will make another video. So guys, I hope you like this small video about the latest Lenovo K8 Note update, which was launched for the month of November. So hope you guys like this video, and if you are visiting for the first time here, I would like to request you that you please subscribe to our channel. I will be bringing more such videos. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.